Pakistan, and it's absolutely phenomenal how he's understood the Pakistani society. मुझे तो लगता है उसके NFL लेवल की understanding Pakistani society की मुझसे बेहतर है. And he explains why these kinship networks, या जिनको हम बरादरी कहते हैं, why they're vital in Pakistan. But उसका फिर harmful, उसके अच्छे effects भी हैं. There are very positive things about that brotherly system also, but उसके negative impacts भी हैं. So एक तो बहुत सारा है कि I personally feel that I owe it to those जो मेरे रिश्तेदार हैं, दोस्त हैं, भाई हैं, बरादरी के हैं, कबीले के हैं, कि it is my job to make sure that the best people necessarily don't get put into a job, but those जिनकी मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, they get put into those jobs. There are political affiliations के issues, etc. But there's capacity limitations also. And that's what needs to be addressed, and that's what Dr. Ishrat is working on right now, a complete revamp of the government structure, its recruitment, promotion processes. क्योंकि जब तक आप प्रोफेशनल्स को अट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकेंगे, जब तक आप उनको ग्रूम डेवलप नहीं कर सकेंगे, तो वो जो आपको क्वालिटी ऑफ गवर्नेंस चाहिए मुल्क के अंदर इसको पोटेंशियल पूरा करने के लिए, वो आप नहीं कर सकेंगे. एंड इन दैट the role of professionals of all types Pakistan mein, from marine engineers to geologists to accountants and every other profession is absolutely critical. But obviously that I'm talking in the context of the government system. Private sector के अंदर यही है, जो companies जो हैं सबसे well developed HR systems बना लेते हैं, they have the ability to attract quality professionals and groom them and develop them and promote them, are the ones who are the most successful in the long run. And that ACCA has been contributing to the development of professionals in Pakistan. I remember probably almost 20 years back, 15 years back, I would have come to the first ACCA event. I think it was in Lahore, the first time I was invited. And उस event के फौरन जाने के बाद उस वक्त तक Ingro did not recruit ACCA. So I went back and had the policy change, and then we had a number of ACCAs come and work for the company, and the quality was very, very good. I'm sure with time they have gotten better. So I'm glad to see the emphasis or the importance that ACCA places on Pakistan, the work that has been done here, the professionals that have been developed, the professionals who are many of whom are in this room. And thank you very much for inviting me, and I hope you continue to contribute. And this, the only thing that I will say is gear up your numbers, because the demand pool is about to go up tremendously. So let's plan for not today, but for tomorrow. That's the other thing that I noticed in leaders, visionary people. Leaders have vision. Leaders think of tomorrow. और मैंने नोट किया अपने करियर में, sorry I was about to wind up, but मुझे उससे ख्याल आ गया चीज का, कि even very, very successful, very intelligent people, somehow in my mind I visualize कि there is a barrier. आप समझ लें कि आप F6 में या F7 में हैं और सामने आपके मरगला का माउंटेन है, तो आपको उस तरफ नजर नहीं आता. And the real visionary leaders are the ones who are able to look beyond that mountain and see what lies beyond it. And therefore great leaders will be able to look at what tomorrow is going to bring. एक दफा किसी ने पूछा था, किसी फुटबॉलर से, very, very successful goal scoring records थे उसके, उन्होंने पूछा कि एक गोल स्कोरर की सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी क्या होती है. स्पीड होती है, ड्रिबलिंग कैपेसिटी होती है, स्ट्रेंथ होती है. And he said none of the above. The most successful goal scorers are the ones who have the ability to forecast where the ball will be and be at the right place at the right time. So I'm hoping that ACC as an institution will be able to see where the ball is going and will be able to be at the right place at the right time. Thank you very much.